Hi, ready to get a little smarter? Do you know what this means?
The first definition of folk refers to the tradition or culture of a country or community. For example, a revival of interest in folk customs. The second definition of folk, referring to folk music. For example, a folk club. American pronunciation. Folk. Folk. Repeat the word after me. As you repeat the word, keep the definition in mind to train your brain to master it. Folk. Say. Folk. Folk means relating to traditional art or culture or community, etc. Folk. Folk. Folk origin. Old English folk, Germanic origin, related with Dutch volks and German volk. Practice. Listen to what I say, then pause the video and repeat after me. Train your brain to master this word. Let's begin. The first practice. All these young folk don't know about KY the con artist. Now, repeat after me. All these young folk don't know about KY the con artist. The second practice. They are not public figures but ordinary folk, people like you. Now, repeat after me. They are not public figures but ordinary folk, people like you.
Good job! Now you're way smarter. Subscribe right now and learn another new word every day.